Okay, good morning all of you. Now today is the geometric progression. In geometric progression is also one of the part of progressions. Already completed arithmetic progression. Now today is geometric progression. What is the geometric progression? A fixed number is multiplying the preceding term except the first term. Then the sequence is called the geometric progression. A fixed number is multiplying the preceding term except the first term, then the sequence is called the geometric progression. The fixed number is called the common ratio, that is denoted by R. So geometric progression also denoted by GP. So what is the GP? It is a list of numbers. It is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by multiplying preceding term. Multiplying the preceding term with a fixed number except the first term, then the sequence is called the geometric progression. That fixed term is called the common ratio. That fixed term is called the common ratio, that is denoted by R. For example, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. 4 2s 8, 8 2s 16, 4 2s 8, 8 2s 16, 16 2s 32, 32 2s what is that? 64. So 2 is multiplying the preceding term. 2 is multiplying the preceding term. So the fixed term is called the common ratio. 2 is the common ratio. So A1 equal to value 4, A2 equal to 8, A3 equal to value 16, A4 is equal to 64 and so on like that. A1 equal to 4, A2 equal to 8, A3 equal to 16, A4 equal to 32, A5 equal to value 64. So R is equal to A2 by A1. A2 value what is 8. 8 by A1 value 4. 8 by 4 equal to value 2. R is equal to A3 by A2. A3 by A2. What is the A3 value? 16. By A2 value 8. This is also 2. And next, R is equal to A4 by A3. What is the A4 value? 32 by A3 value 16. That is also 2. Common ratio is 2. So this progression is in GP. A1, A2, A3 and so on AN are constituent terms are in GP. Constituent terms are in GP when R is equal to A2 by A1, common ratio, second term by first term is equal to A3 by A2 is equal to A4 by A3 and so on AN by AN minus 1. So common ratio is same, these terms are in GP. General form of the GP, what is that? AR square, AR cube and so on. AR square, AR cube and so on. A is the first term, it is the second term, it is the third term, it is the fourth term and so on. So first term, A1 is equal to A, first term. Second term equal to value AR. Second term, A2 is equal to A into R to the power of 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means value 1. So AR, that is the AR value. A3 equal to A into R to the power of 3 minus 1. How to write that? A3 equal to A into R to the power of 3 minus 1. That is equal to AR square. Third term is equal to AR square. How to write that? A3 equal to A into R to the power of 3 minus 1. A4 equal to A into R to the power of 4 minus 1. A into R to the power of 4 minus 1 equal to AR cube. And so on. And so on. AN equal to value A into R to the power of n minus 1. AN equal to value A into R to the power of n minus 1. So in GP, nth term formula AN equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. AN equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. A equal to value first term. R equal to common ratio. Common ratio value A2 by A1. Write the three terms of the GP. Write the three terms of the GP. When the first term is A and common ratio is R are given. A equal to value 4, that is the first term. R is equal to common ratio equal to value 3. So, what is the GP? GP, AN is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. AN is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. That is the nth term formula. So, first term, A1 is equal to value A. A1 is equal to value A. That is equal to value 4. A2 equal to AR. Already we know that. What is the general form of the GP? AR square. Second term is AR. AR is equal to value A and the value 4 into R value 3. 4 into 3, 4 3 is 12. Third term is equal to AR to the power of 3 minus 1, that is equal to AR square. AR square is equal to A value 4 into 3 square. 4 into 9, 4 9 is 36. So continuous day. So first term what is that? First term value 4, second term value 12, third term 36 and so on. That is series in GP. 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. So common ratio is value what is that? 3. Like second term, A equal to value root 5, R equal to 1 by 5. So A1 is equal to A equal to root 5, A2 equal to value AR. A value what is it? Root 5 into 1 by 5. That equal to root 5 by 5. Root 5 by 5 value. A3 equal to AR square. A and the value root 5 into R value 1 by 5 square. That equal to root 5 into 1 by 25. That equal to root 5 by 25. So first term value root 5, second term value root 5 by 5, third term value root 5 by 25 and so on R in GP. So same model, A equal to 81, R is equal to minus 1 by 3. So find out the first three terms. Say which of the following are GP? Which of the following are GP? If they are GP, write 3 more terms. First find out if these are in GP or not. These are in GP or not. Find if it is GP, find the 3 more terms. First one, given progression is 4, 8, 16 and so on is there. Then R is equal to A2 by A1. What is the A2 value? 8 by 4 is equal to value 2. Common ratio value 2. So next value A3 by A2. What is the A3 value? 16 by 8. This is also 2. Common ratio is 2. Common ratio is same. So the series are in GP. 4, 8, 16 and so on are in GP. So if it is in GP, find the next 3 more terms. How many terms are given? First term, second term, third term is given. Then find the 4, 5, 6. Then A4 is equal to nth term formula A into R to the power of n minus 1. A4 equal to A into R to the power of 4 minus 1. That equal to AR cube. What is A? 4. What is the R value? 2. Cube. That equal to 4 into 2 cube by 8. 4 8 is 32. Next. A5. A5 equal to value AR to the power of 5 minus 1. So AR to the power of 4. What is the A value? 4 into R value 2. Power 4. That equal to 4 into 2 power 4. 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8 into 16. That equal to 4 16s 64. Next A6. A into R to the power of nth term formula A into R to the power of n minus 1. Here 6. 6 minus 1. So AR to the power of 5. That is A value 4. R is equal to value 2 to the power of 5. That equal to 4 into 2 to the power of 5. 2 is multiplied by 5 times. That is the result equal to 32. That equal to value 128. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 12 and so on. It is in GP or not? First find out that. R is equal to A2 by A1. What is A2? Minus 1 by 6 by 1 by 3. That is equal to minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 1. That is equal to 3 2s. That is equal to minus 1 by 2. Common ratio is here minus 1 by 2. Then A3 by A2. What is A3? 1 by 12 by A2 value minus 1 by 6. That is equal to 1 by 12 into 6 by minus 1. 6 2s. Here plus into minus minus 1 by 2. Common ratio is same. So these progressions are in GP. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 12 and so on are in GP. So it is in GP. Find the next 3 terms. Here how many terms are given? First term, second term, third term is given. First term, second term, third term is given. Find the fourth term. A4 is equal to value what is that? Nth term equal to AN equal to ANU. A into R to the power of n minus 1. A4 equal to A into R to the power of 4 minus 1. AR cube. What is the A? A value first term. That equal to 1 by 3. R value what is that? Minus 1 by 2 to the power of q. That is equal to 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 8. That is equal to plus into minus. 1 once 1 by 3 8 24. Minus 1 by 24. Then find out the A5 and A6. A5 value A into R to the power of 4. A6 value A into R to the power of 5. Substitute that A and R values. So it is also, it is in GP or not? If it is a GP, find the 3 more terms. So what is the given? 5, double 5, triple 5 and so on. 5, double 5, triple 5 and so on. Is it in GP or not? If it is in GP, find the 3 more terms. Value R is equal to A2 by A1, common ratio. 55 by 5. First term value 5, second term 55, third term triple 5. So R is equal to A2 by A1, 55 by 5 equal to 11 by 5. 5 ones, 5 11s. So 11 by 1. And R is equal to A3 by A2. What is A3? Triple 5 by 5. 5 ones, 5 ones, 5 1 1 1. So triple 1 by 11. Here common ratio 11 by 1. Here common ratio triple 1 by 11. Both are not equal. Therefore, A2 by A1 is not equal to A3 by A2. Common ratio is not same. So therefore, it is not in GP. So no need not to find out the 3 more terms. Here, remaining sums are the same order and try it. Find x. So that x plus 2, x plus 6 are constant terms of a GP. Constant terms of GP, geometric progression. So here, x plus 2, x plus 6 are constant terms of GP. Constant terms means side by side terms. That means what is the rule in GP? Common ratios are the same. So A2 by A1 is equal to A3 by A2. It is first term, second term, third term. Second term by first term. So x plus 2 by x is equal to third term by second term. X plus 6 by x plus 2. Then cross multiplication, x plus 2 into x plus 2 whole square is equal to x into x plus 6. That is equal to x a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into a into b at the value 2. That is equal to x into x square plus x into 6x. Both sides x square terms cancel. The remaining value 4 plus 2 to 4x is equal to value 6x. So 4x is change another side. 4 is equal to 6x minus 4x. Then 4 is equal to value, what is that? 2x. Therefore 2x equal to 4, x equal to 4 by 2, x equal to 2. So x equal to 2, or the terms are x equal to 2, x plus 2 equal to value 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, then x plus 6 third term, then 2 plus 6 is equal to value 8. So 2, 4, 8. 2 first term, 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8. R in GP. R in GP. Exercise 6.5. Here for each GP, geometric progression, find R, common ratio and AN. Common ratio and AN value. Here GP series are given 3 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 8 and so on is given. That is in GP. That is in GP. So A value, A is equal to A1 equal to value 3, R is equal to A2 by A1. What is A2? 3 by 2 by second term by first term, 3. That means 3 by 2, 3 by 1. So reverse that 1 by 3, 3 cancel, that is equal to value 1 by 2. Common ratio value 1 by 2. Then already find out. Then AN. In GP, A is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. What is the A? 3 into R value what is that? 1 by 2 to the power of n minus 1. Second question. 2 minus 6 minus 18 minus 54 are in GP. These are in GP. Find first term and common ratio and AN. A is equal to A1 equal to value 2. R is equal to A2 by A1. A2 by A1. What is the second term? Minus 6 by first term value 2. So 2 how many times? 3 times. 3 by 1 that is equal to value minus 3. Common ratio value minus 3. Nth term formula. What is the A equal to value? A into r to the power of n minus 1. What is the A? 2 into r value minus 3 to the power of n minus 1. It is also our in GP. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 9, minus 18 and so on. It is in GP. It is also in GP. Find the first term, common ratio and AN. Find the 10th term and nth term of the GP. Find the 10th term and nth term of the GP. Here what is the progression? 5, 25, 125 and so on. A is equal to A1 equal to 5. R is equal to A2 by A1. A2 by A1. Second term value 25 divided by first term 5 is equal to 5. Common ratio is 5 and first term is also 5. Then find the nth term and 10th term. So 10th term A10 is equal to in GP A10 equal to A into R to the power of 10 minus 1. So A into r to the power of 9. What is the A value? 5 into r value 5 to the power of 9. That equal to 5 to the power of 10. That means value 5 to the power of 1 into 5 to the power of 9. So 5 to the power of 1 plus 9 equal to value 10. So nth term equal to A into r to the power of n minus 1. What is A? 5 into r and the value 5 to the power of n minus 1.
KP sir.
To the power of 1 into 5 to the power of n minus 1. So a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. 5 to the power of 1 plus n minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 5 to the power of n. It is also same model. Find the 20th term and nth term of the GP. Find the 20th term and nth term of the GP. What is the GP? 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 and so on. So find the value A1 equal to 5 by 2, A2 equal to A2 by A1, R is equal to A2 by A1 is equal to common ratio. Find A and common ratio. 20th term, A into R to the power of 90. Then nth term value A into R to the power of n minus 1. Substitute that A and R values. Find the indicated term of each GP. Find the indicated term of each GP. A equal to value A1 equal to 9, R is equal to 1 by 3. Find A7. 7th term value. What is the first term value? 9. R value common ratio is 1 by 3. Find A7. In GP A7 is equal to A into R to the power of 7 minus 1. A into R to the power of 6. A value 3. A value 9 into R value 1 by 3 to the power of 6. So 9 into 1 to the power of 6 means value 1. 3 to the power of 6. 3 is multiplied by 6 times. That equal to value 729. That equal to 9 ones 9 by 729. That equal to 9 ones 9 eights 9 ones 1 by 81. A1 equal to minus 12, R is equal to 1 by 3. Find A6. Same model. Try it. Which term of the GP? Which term of the GP? 2, 8, 32 and so on. A is 512. A is 512. It is the first term, second term, third term and so on. In this progression, what is the term? Nth term. It is the nth term. A is equal to A1 equal to 2. R is equal to A2 by A1. That equal to 8 by 2 equal to value 4. Common ratio is 4. First term is 2. It is the nth term. It is the nth term. First term, second term, third term and so on. It is the nth term. In GP, AN is equal to 512. What is the GP nth term formula? A into R to the power of n minus 1 equal to value 512. What is the A? 2 into R value 4. 4 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 512. Then 2 is change other side. So 4 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 512 by 2. 4 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 512 by 2 to value 2 2's 4. 1 balance. 2 5's 2 6. So 4 to the power of n minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 equal to value 4 to the power of 5. 256 is written 4 to the power of 5. So 4 to the power of, since the bases are equal, then the exponents must be equal. Then the exponents must be equal. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to value 5, n equal to value 5 plus 1, n equal to value 6. So, sixth term is the 512. Sixth term is the 512. Term of the GP, root 3, 3, 3 root 3 and so on, 729. It is a 729 is the which term? 729 is the which term? A equal to value root 3, R is equal to A2 by A1. What is A2? 3. By A1 value root 3, 3 by root 3. 3 is written, root 3 into root 3 means root 3 whole square means value 3. So root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3 cancel, remaining value root 3. R value root 3, A value root 3. It is the first term, second term, third term, it is the which term? It is the nth term. So AN equals 729. AN equals 729. AN formula A into R to the power of n minus 1 equals 729. A equal to value root 3 into R is equal to value also root 3. Root 3 into root 3 to the power of n minus 1 equals 729. It is A power m into B power A power n is equal to A power m plus n. So root 3 whole to the power of n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 729. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So root 3 to the power of n is equal to 729 is written 3 power 6. 3 power 6 equal to value 729. So here root 3 is written 3 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of n equal to 3 to the power of 6. A power m whole power n equal to A power m by n. That means 3 power n by 2 equal to 3 power 6. Here bases are equal between equal symbol. Then the exponents must be also equal. Therefore, n by 2 equal to value 6. N equal to value 6 into 2. N equal to value 12. So, which term is the 729? 12th term. So, A12 equal to 729 in GP. In the 12th term the GP, whose 8th term is 192 and common ratio is value 2. In GP, common ratio equal to value 2. R is equal to value 2. 8th term is value 192. A8 is equal to 192. A8th term is value A into R to the power of 7 is equal to 192. What is the A value? 2. A value is A, R value 2 to the power of 7 equal to 192. A into 2 to the power of 7, 2 is multiplied by 7 times, that is equal to 128 is equal to 192. So A is equal to 192 divided by 128. 64 2s, 64 3s. So A is equal to value 3 by 2. A is equal to 3 by 2. So what is the, find out the 12th term. Find out the 12th term. A12 is equal to A into R to the power of 11. What is the A value? 3 by 2 into R value 2. R value 2 to the power of 11. So here 2 is one time cancelled. What is that? 3 into 2 to the power of 10. 3 into 2 to the power of 10. 3 into 2 to the power of 10 means value 2 is multiplied by 10 times. That is equal to value 1024. So 3 4 12, 3 2 6 plus 1 7, then 300 313. The fourth term of the GP is 2 by 3. Fourth term is 2 by 3. And the seventh term is 16 by 81. Find GP. Geometry product. Find GP series. So here in GP, fourth term, then A4 is equal to 2 by 3. How to write it? AR cube is equal to 2 by 3. That is the first equation. And seventh term is value 16 by 81. A7 is equal to 16 by 81. A7, how to write that? A into R to the power of 6 equal to 16 by 81. That is second equation. Second equation by first equation. So, AR to the power of 6 by AR cube is equal to 16 by 81 whole divided by 2 by 3. AA cancel. R to the power of 6 by R cube is equal to 16 by 81 into 3 by 2. 2 by 3 change the side. So 2 8 times 3 2s 3 27s. So value r to the power of 6 by r cube equal to value, what is it? R to the power of 6 minus 3. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n, like that. That is equal to value 8 by 27. R cube is equal to value, it is also cubic form, 2 cube by 3 cube. That means value 2 by 3 whole cube. So here powers are equal, exponents are equal. Between equal symbol, so base are also equal. R is equal to value 2 by 3. R value 2 by 3. From 1, R value 2 by 3. From 1 value what is it? AR cube equal to 2 by 3. AR cube is equal to value 2 by 3. Here A into R value what is it? 2 by 3. Whole cube is equal to 2 by 3. A into 8 by 27 is equal to value 2 by 3. A is equal to 2 by 3 into 27 by 8. 2 4s, 3 9s, that equal to value 9 by 4. So A equal to value 9 by 4. Find that series. A value A1 is equal to value 9 by 4. A2 is equal to value AR. A value what is that? 9 by 4 into R value what is that? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So 2 2's, 3 3's, that equal to value 3 by 2. A3 is equal to value AR square. A value 9 by 4 into R value 2 by 3 whole square. That equal to 9 by 4 into 2 by 3 whole square means 4 by 9. 9 and cancel, 4 4 cancel, equal to value 1. So 9 by 4, 3 by 2, 1 and so on are in GP. GP 162, 54, 18 and so on. This is the first geometric progression. And 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9 and so on. The two progressions have their nth terms are equal. The two progressions nth terms are equal. Find the value of n. First progression 162, 54, 18 and so on are in GP. So A equal to A1 equal to 162. R is equal to A2 by A1. What is A2? 54 by A1 value 162. 54 divided by 162. 54 ones, 54 threes, that equal to value 1 by 3. So in GP, another formula A into R to the power of n minus 1. What is the A? 162 into R value 1 by 3 to the power of n minus 1. Second progression 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9 and so on. It is also in GP. So A equal to A1 equal to 2 by 81, R is equal to A2 by A1. What is A2? 2 by 27 whole divided by 2 by 81. So 2 by 27 into 2 by 81 change this side. So 81 by 2. 2 to cancel. 27 ones, 27 threes. R is equal to value 3. R value 3. So AN in GP. What is the AN formula? A into R to the power of n minus 1. What is the A value? 2 by 81 into R to the power of R and value 3 to the power of n minus 1. Given problem, nth terms are equal. In the given problem, nth terms are equal. First series nth term value 162 into 1 by 3 to the power of n minus 1. Second series at nth term value 2 by 81 into 3 to the power of n minus 1.